Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today I'm going to be sharing 3 yummy salsa recipes. So let's get started. For our first salsa, we're going to need cilantro, red onion, a lime, some minced garlic. We're going to need some peppers, chopped, a jalapeno, not the whole thing, and some pineapples. So let's get started with chopping. First things first, we're going to be chopping up our cilantro. So go ahead and get it nice and finely chopped. And we're going to put it to the side and work on the next thing. Next up, we're going to chop up some of our red onion. Not all of it, just enough, because we're going to use this red onion for our other 2 salsas. Next up, we're going to cut up some of our jalapeno pepper. Make sure that you keep the seeds in, but if you're a little afraid of a little heat, then go ahead and take your seeds out. Next up, I'm going to cut my lime in half so that it is ready to be squeezed once my salsa is finished. It is time to cut the rough edges off of our pineapple and go ahead and start chopping up our pineapple. We're going to go ahead and start putting our salsa in our bowl, and then we're going to put it to the side and start working on our next salsa. Let's get started with our watermelon salsa. You're going to need watermelon, peppers, a tablespoon of salt. You're going to need a lime, a red onion, and some cilantro. So let's get started. I'm using a tablespoon of salt because salt on watermelon brings the flavor out more. Be sure to blend very gently because the watermelon is a bit softer than the pineapples and the apples, and you don't want to squish your watermelon. For our apple salsa, you're going to need a pink lady apple, some cilantro, 1 teaspoon of salt, a lime, jalapeno, red peppers, red onion, and some black pepper. Let's get started. I only ended up using just a half of an apple, but if you're making this for a large group, then you might as well use the whole apple. But I only made just a small bowl of this, so a half an apple, chopped up nice and small, worked just fine for me. Like I said previously, if you are afraid of a little heat, then be sure to take the seeds out of your jalapeno before chopping them up and add them to your salsa. But if you like a little bit of kick, then go ahead and get spicy and add those seeds. Now it's time to take a bite of this delicious salsa. Y'all, it was so good. All three of them were delicious. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more yummy videos.